welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in mathematics, paper 1, 2025, the paper which came last year. It was question 6. It was saying, in the following diagram, P is the point 0, 4, Q is the point -4, 0, and O is the point, O is the origin. Find the equation of a straight line through O, which is perpendicular to the line PQ. So the straight line they were talking about is this. So now they are saying which is perpendicular to this question is saying find the equation of the straight line through O. So through O which is here. So that means the equation that we want to find is this one, which is perpendicular. If they had just said the straight line without it being perpendicular, that means we would have just solved the straight line. Now which is perpendicular, it means this line that they are talking about, then you say all this area. So now what you need to do for you to find the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular, you have to find first the gradient. You say gradient is equals to, you can say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now what you need to understand here, so you can choose between the point P, the point for P is this one, and the point for Q is this one. So you can choose, you can make this one, you say this is x1, then you say y1. The other point you are going to, it will be the values of x2, y2. So this one you are going to say x2, y2. So now when you're pressing now, you're going to say which one have you made the y2? Y2 here is showing is 0. So that means you're going to replace 0, then you put a minus here. Then y1 it is here, which is 4. Then you say over x2. Your x2 here showing is -4. You put minus c. Then x1, here x1 is showing is 0. So you're going to say 0 minus 4 is -4 over -4 minus 0 is also -4. That means gradient will be equals to -1. That's your odd. The gradient will be equals to +1. Now when you are told that this line it is perpendicular. If it was just a straight line, you could have continued solving like this. Now because it is perpendicular, that means the product it is equals to negative. So you are going to say, for a perpendicular line, you say m1 multiplied by m2, it is equals to -1. So your m1 it is this one which you have found, which is 1 multiplied by m2, which is, it will give you equals -1, which is it. So when you say 1 times m2, it will give you m2 is equals to -1. So this is the formula that you must use when you are given a perpendicular line. That means you must use this formula, m1 then multiplied by m2. That means the gradient 1 multiplied by gradient 2. For the perpendicular one is gradient 2 that you want to find, which is -1 now. That means you have found the -1. Now the question was saying it was passing through the origin. That means the coordinate for the origin, so the question was saying find the equation of the straight line through O, which is perpendicular to the line to the line PQ. It was saying in the following diagram, P is the point, this one, and Q is the point, this one, and O is the origin. So for the origin now, that means X, the coordinate will be, as long as passing through the origin, the coordinate for X is 0 and the coordinate for Y is 0. So even if you may use you may choose one of the points, this one or this one, you put it in the equation, you still find the answer. As long as we are going to get the point now, it's talking about it was passing through the origin, the line you are talking about. So we are going to get the 0, 0. That means this one we are going to make it x1, this one we are going to make it y1. So now the formula, there are two formulas you can use. You can use this one, you say y is equals to mx plus c. This one you put the place 0 here, then you find the value of c constant. Then you just use this formula that I feel is simple. You say y minus y1 is equals to m open bracket x minus x1. So this one you'll be just replacing. Where there's y, you don't have to replace anything. Where there's y1, you get 0 there, and you put 0 here. You say equals m, you put the gadget of which is of the perpendicular one, which is -1 in the brackets. Then you say where there's x, you don't have to replace anything. You say minus. Where there's x1, that's why you put this is 0, which is on the coordinate for the origin. Then we say y minus 0 is that's y equals here to be -1 in the bracket, x minus 0 is that's x. You do like this. You say y equals -1 times x, it will give you -x. So the equation that we are talking about, the straight line which they are talking about here, the answer is going to give you y is equals to -x. So guys, why should you continue to have challenges with coordinate geometry? When the undergraduate teacher is here, just follow my channel for more coordinate geometry, question and also mathematics lessons.